welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here, and happy Mask Monday. Today we are going to do a haul, as we usually do on Mondays. I have some stuff from TJ Maxx where I went yesterday and did some shopping. It's kind of a small haul, but there are some things I found. I have some stuff from Amazon that I got, and I have my Macy's beauty box, which I am going to unbox. Today's mask that I have on is from Satori. It is the Everyday Pearl Mask. It is a brightening mask, and it says shine bright like a pearl. It contains no harsh chemicals. And yeah, so it feels really nice. It smells really good. And yeah, hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. I do Mask Mondays with a lot of different channels here on YouTube. And I do lots of makeup material. I do subscription box unboxings. I throw in a cooking video here and there. And sometimes I do talk about mental health issues. If you are into any of that, or say you are into all of that, then I would love it if you would hit subscribe down below, tap that notification bell, set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So if you ever want to join the Mask Monday friends, then just put on any kind of a mask. It can be a hair mask, face mask, sheet mask, hand mask, foot mask, any kind of a mask that you can think of. Make a video, do some chit chat, open some boxes, do whatever you want. A lot of people collab together, and put your video up on YouTube and put the hashtag Mask Monday Ladies, or you could put the hashtag or put the hashtag Mask Monday Friends in your description box, and you can put it in your title and upload it to YouTube and join the movement. So let's start off by seeing what is in my Macy's beauty box for the month of, this is getting kind of late. It is for the month of August. They didn't charge me until like near the end of August for this. And okay, inside you get a $5 off coupon to use. Okay, so you get to use it. It's good until the end of September at least. This is what this looks like on the inside. It tells you about the items that you are getting. The first thing that I see is this little quad. I love getting little quads. What is this from? It is from Chella La Vie Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. It says "Hello Beautiful" on it. Let us see what it looks like. Okay, it is a very basic looking eyeshadow palette. Very cute. I love golds. I love neutrals, and this little color would be good for an inner corner highlight there. So that is cute. Everything usually comes up bundled in this pink wrapping paper here. Okay, let's get everything out. I usually save this. Okay, let's start out here. What is this big thing here? It is from Dior. It looks like a foundation sampler. It is for their New Generation Forever. Let's see what this says. Dior Forever Skin Glow Hydrating SPF 15 Foundation. Okay. Let's see. Probably this neutral shade would probably look the best on me. It doesn't seem to go very light. So yeah, I'll probably try that out in a get ready with me and see how that goes. Okay, we have two perfumes, which of course I'm going to try out. It looks like we have an eye pencil here from Bodyography and the color Bali Bronze. I love a bronze eye pencil. I'm guessing what that is, it doesn't look like a lip liner, at least. So what does this say? Bodyography new. It's a new product. Bronze eye pencil. Okay, it's $14. I'm guessing this is a full size. This here, I'm guessing, is $20. Or the full size might be $20. I don't know. It just says $20. Okay. Then we have a little tiny sample of Origin's Ginseng Into the Glow Brightening Serum. Call off the search. We found the perfect brightening formula that instantly makes an impact. Vitamin C pairs with 5% retexturing complex and this radiant mix of rejuvenation made for any and all skin types. The full size of this would be $44. So that is something to try. And what is this? I love mini mascaras. Is this in here? It is the Lancome Monsieur, how do you say that? Monsieur Big Volumizing Mascara. I have always wanted to try this mascara. Awesome volumizing mascara. The full size would be $28. I am not going to open this up. Well, should I? Yeah, let's go ahead and open it up because I'm really interested in what this wand looks like. Okay, it doesn't look like it's fully immersed in the, like it's full. Okay, that looks a little better. Okay, I am interested to try that out. And then there's a little brush in here. And I don't see this on the picture or anywhere else. And it doesn't have a name or anything on it. Okay, it's not in the picture. See, I guess that's the full size of the Trella eyeshadow palette. That would be the $20 palette right there. Okay, so, okay, they just threw in a brush right there. Okay, let's go on to perfumes. Here is the Jean Paul Gaultier, and that's what it looks like on the inside, and La Belle. And they never fill these up anymore. I finally took all my little minis and put them in one of my Ipsy bags so I could have access to them. Oh, that smells very feminine. Very florally and very feminine. Well, the first note was florally. Now it's like, oh, more vanilla-y, if vanilla-y is a word. Oh, I like that. Addictive Sillage, a green oriental perfume born as the encounter between addictive vanilla pad, fresh bergamot, and a burst of pear. Okay, I can see that. Oh, I can smell the pear. I can never smell the pear when they say there's pear in it. I can definitely smell the pear. Oh, I love this. I am definitely keeping this. Okay, and then they have the Jean Paul Gaultier Le Beau. So this is a man's fragrance. I am not above wearing a man's fragrance. This is an aromatic woody perfume built around addictive tonka bean and coconut wood and fresh bergamot notes. That sounds nice. Oh, I like this too. I would totally wear this. Jean Paul, you did a good job. Oh, I don't know what tonka bean smells like, but if that's what it smells like, it smells really good. I can totally smell the bergamot notes. Oh, so that's Jean Paul Gaultier La Belle and La Beau. I wonder if those are new scents. Okay, that is everything that is in my Macy's beauty box. Excuse me, I need to get that out. Okay, I like that. I like this month's box. Okay, next thing I have is my Amazon Prime order. I just got a couple of things from this. I mentioned in my Friday video that I ordered a new book, and I got it in hardcover because I'm kind of into hardcovers right now. This is from Alice Feeney. It's called Rock, Paper, Scissors. I'm kind of into this author right now. It says, things have been going wrong with Mr. and Mrs. Wright for a long time. Wright with a W. Every anniversary, the couple exchange traditional gifts, paper, cotton, pottery, tin, and each year, Adam's wife writes him a letter that she never lets him read. Okay. Until now. Self-confessed workaholic and screenwriter Adam Wright has lived with face blindness his whole life. He can't recognize friends or family or even his own wife. And Amelia is sick of feeling unseen. That sounds interesting. When Adam and Amelia win a weekend away to Scotland, it might be just what their marriage needs. They both know this weekend will make or break their relationship, but they didn't randomly win this trip. One of them is lying, and someone doesn't want them to live happily ever after. Okay, that sounds really intriguing. You know, I love murder and mystery books. Okay, and another thing I got, one of my favorite places that I like to buy my wigs is at Entranced Style. Entranced Styles on Amazon.com. If you've ever looked in my description box, you might have noticed that. I bought a new wig. Let's see. This is a longer wig. I'll probably need to cut the bangs on it because they usually come with really long bangs. That is what it looks like. It kind of has some blonde highlights in it, especially down here at the bottom. It feels really nice, but I don't know, those bangs might be good. I don't know, but sometimes I usually have to cut the bangs on these things. So that is what it looks like. I thought I needed a cute fallish type wig. Oh, and there's a wig cut with it. Okay, finally, let's see what I got from TJ Maxx. Now, I went there and I was looking for makeup, but I did not find any good makeup, but I did find some cute home goods stuff. Now, this is something Chloe, my daughter, wanted me to haul because she found it and she thought it was real cute. So she got this for herself. It is just it is just a bowl with elephants on it. She really loves elephants. And it has a lid. I am not sure what this is. It is obviously something to let out steam, but I don't know why it looks like a timer, because it's not a timer. But it says it's a microwave use dial vent to open. Okay, but I don't know why it looks like a dial. But it is really cute. It is by Grace Pantry. And yeah, so this is for Chloe, and she really likes it. What I got, this was from TJ Maxx, but it's from the Home Goods side, which is basically my TJ Maxx is connected to a Home Goods, so they're basically the same thing. You buy it from the same place. I got this mug for my coffee. It comes with its own little, what do you call it? What you put the coffee on. You know what I'm talking about. But this is my size of coffee mug. I like big mugs. So I got this. This is from the Ray Don line. So yeah. And so I got that. And I found something for Halloween. I got these haunted hand soaps that look so cute. They are a gnome, a skull, a ghosty, and a kitty cat. They come in, they're already filled with hand soap in them. In candy apple, blackberry sage, spooky marshmallow, and candy corn. Now the only problem is I only have 3 sinks in my house. So I'm gonna have to figure out, I know I'm putting this skull in the kitchen. This one Chloe wants in the kids' bathroom. I'm gonna put one of these 2, probably this one, this gnome, in the master bathroom, this sink. So I have to figure out what to do with that ghost. So I don't know, maybe put it in a giveaway or something, but they are refillable. And yeah, those are the things I got at TJ Maxx, and the things I got from Amazon Prime, and the things that I got in my Macy beauty box. Okay, I am going to take a break, clean up this stuff, and take off my face mask. I will be... Okay, yeah, this was gonna need a lot of adjusting done to it. It feels very soft, though. I really like it. It's a lot lighter than my other wigs. So we will have to see. Maybe you'll see me wearing it this week. But yeah, the bangs are way too long. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this Mask Monday. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below. And I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day. This is bothering me really bad. So that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.